First time you used it too, wasn't it?
Yeah, it sure was. Holy crap. Oh my God.
Well, you have a lot of job to do on this car.
I don't think this car is worth doing anything to, honestly. This car has a lot of potential. You don't believe me? Take a look under the hood. I could be wrong, but didn't 85 come with a Crossfire injection engine? Because this is not a Crossfire injection engine. This is a tune port injection engine out of something like one of the old Camaros. This could be a winner, if not for the powertrain alone. There you go. Look at that oil. Clean oil. All right. Trans fluid. Bright pink trans fluid as well. Well, so far so good. Now all we got to do is check the coolant and see what she looks like. Oh wow, green coolant as well. You probably can't see it down in there, but she is green. She is green coolant. So it almost looks like somebody at some point was trying to do something with it. Interior's done. Honestly, I don't know what to do with this car. It is so bad. Just rotten, disgusting. All right, guys. I got it to crank. I only let it crank for a second. It's got compression. I can hear it. I hear relays under the hood clicking. I have no idea if any of the electricals under here are working other than the starter cranking. So we brought back the JNC 1224. All right, guys, so we're gonna throw some fire juice down there. I'm gonna sit in here and kind of feather the throttle a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna crank, and when I crank, I'll tell you to go ahead and spray it, all right? Go ahead. It ran. Yeah. It ran. It runs? Are you kidding me? I'll be honest with you guys, I don't know if we can save this. I'm willing to give it a shot, man. I'm willing to see what we can do to get it running, possibly moving under its own power. So it looks like we don't have to drop the tank, but that makes me even more nervous because I don't know what's in it. With the T15s out of the way, ugh, straight to the garbage can. All right, now that we've gotten down to this rubber piece, I think this thing is supposed to just pop out. It's probably going to disintegrate. Oh boy. Well, we've made it to the sending unit. Boy, she smells great. All right, here goes the last bolt for the sending unit. Let's grab onto it with some vice grips here and let's pull it out and see what she's made of. Oh boy. Whew, the smell. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Guys, what do you think? That is so toast, man. So while I understand it's probably very difficult to see in there, that's what's in the fuel tank, guys. So I've spent about another 20 minutes just kind of screwing around with it, right? And look, I got some of the electrical going again, guys. I did a little bit of vacuuming, not too much, but I got all the leaves cleared off of here. I got the window down, a lot of electronic parts cleaner down the switches there. And you know what else is cool? Watch what happens when we crank the key. Ah, the gauges are starting to light up. Not only that, but the radio is lighting up too. We have a brake light on over there. We have interior lights right here. I think this window is, oh, she's trying. Ooh, here it goes. Come on. It's like a stuck engine. You just got to rock her up and down, and eventually she'll go down. Let's try it one more time. Just like that. Told you so. All right, so if you guys were wondering what we were pulling out of this thing, I figured I'd show you real quick. That is what's come out of it so far. And let me turn this on. I'm running I did check and make sure I do have voltage going to the fuel pump, so that's good. The fact that we have voltage getting back here to run the pump is a good thing. Show you guys exactly. Look at that. All right, it's frothing up now, so obviously we're pulling nothing but air. And right there, ladies and gentlemen, it is what's left inside of the tank. I wonder if the shop vac could suck that out and make it usable? Yeah. So, one shop vac, several cans of brake and carb cleaner later, and we have managed to accomplish what most of you probably didn't think was even possible. While I know it's difficult to see in here, if you look back there at the very, very edge, you can see it's actually pretty damn clean. I have gotten my hands in here with all of this carb cleaner, and I have sprayed the entire tank. I think we can get in here with some rags and wipe the rest of this up. I think we just saved a $300 fuel tank. All right, guys, never do as I do. Fuel tank full of fresh gas, hose running from a submerged OE pump for this. Okay, OE pump, hose coming out, hose going into the main line in, return line, drop down in there. This is not fuel injector hose, so good luck. 50 PSI burst point. We've got a new battery that Austin brought us here. There ain't much else to do, but I'm gonna have to change that fuel filter. Are we gonna get shooting fuel out of here? Yes, we are losing fuel already. That's good. That means we got fuel making it to the filter, but obviously we don't have fuel making it out. There she goes. Okay, there we go. That's the end of... Ooh, boy. It's pretty nasty. We'll go ahead and get this out now. There she goes. Oh, boy. Whew. That's good stuff right there. So, I think what we've done is created a gravity bleed, which is fine. We can let it gravity bleed like this for a minute. You see the gasoline is starting to turn colors now. I just heard the fuel rail. The fuel rail is filling up with fuel. That's good. That means we have fuel making its way to the rail. Let's try running it with the fuel pump off, just in case we have flooded the engine. If I hold the throttle down some, we should be able to clear it out. Ah, the gauges just came on. The gauges are alive. Ho ho! They come and go, but the gauges are coming back. That was officially her first start. Come on. Come on. Come on, clear up. Clear up, old girl. That's the longest it's run yet. I wouldn't call that good, but... Oh, it went in reverse. Went in reverse and we're out of gas. Okay, so I have officially submerged the pump back into the tank. Guys, she's running. She's also smoking. I've got the pedal to the floor. Boy, that's a lot of smoke. Let's see if I let off the throttle, will she stay running? Oh, no, come on, girl, come on. Come back to life for us. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, it sounds like a timing issue, doesn't it? Could be fuel, could be timing, could be someone got the plug wires on wrong. There she goes. Come on. I don't know, she sounds like she tries so hard to run better. You can hear it popping. She's running on her own though, guys. Woo. Oh my, wow. Wow. My goodness. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. There she goes. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, man. You got this. Come on, come on. Clean those fuel injectors up, man. Oh, oh, one of the lights flipped over too. Oh, come on, girl. You can do this. It's those fuel injectors is what it is. Getting some fresh fuel in them. Oh, wow. That doesn't sound healthy. That doesn't sound healthy at all. There she goes. There she goes. Come on. Come on. Don't be scared. Guys, unfortunately, with the limited amount of correct parts that we do have the fuel pump in the tank now, but it is running off of its own tank, and it sounds like it's running better and better as time goes on. Listen to that. Here, it's starting to clean up. Come on, girl. You guys think she'll move? She's moving. Yeah, she's moving. Let's put her in reverse. Yeah, she moved. Windshield wipers? Yes, sir. So I've been working on this for about 7 hours or so, and I'm going to say this, guys. So many people thought this car was gone. A real challenge that, honestly, a lot of people watching this video right now are probably sitting there going, it shouldn't run. And I have to agree with you. It shouldn't run. The fluids are too clean. It looks to me like this car wants to be saved. It's another one that wants to be saved. Yes, it looks like someone pulled it out of a swamp. And yes, there might be strange critters still running around inside of it. We can work all of those bugs out as we progress through putting this car back together. I'm out of here, guys. Stay safe out there. I'll catch you all very soon in the next one.